everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 6th to the 10th of July 2026 on Monday. Nkunzi find himself in a new and unfamiliar territory. Sholiphi lands the treasure she's long been looking for, and Madlala walks straight into the jaw of a predator on Tuesday. Young Sholiphi swears not to raise Pondo's son alone. Young Pondo flees from his responsibilities, but young Sholiphi finds him. Young Sholiphi and young Pondo exchange a young how until young Pondo disappears for good on Wednesday. Pondo's cast catches up to him. Nkunzi feels like a small fish in the sea full of shark, and Figile's plan to free herself from Madlala's threat is a success on Thursday. Nkunzi is trapped in a sniper's crosshairs in prison, while Kazimulo's reckoning visits him in the street of Kwamashu. On the other side of town, Pondo is disturbed that Sholiphi has once again found him on Friday, and Kazimulo finds himself in a situation where his arrogance and brazen nature can't save him. Nkunzi must swallow his pride when he has to do whatever means necessary to ensure his safety. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.